Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just limited to fixed tasks, but can actively explore the internet, absorb new information, and even humorously dive into the depths of Reddit discussions. This might sound like a wild idea, but it's actually becoming a reality, thanks to an innovative AI model named Gorilla. This AI isn't your run-of-the-mill software. It's a potential glimpse into what could be the closest version of artificial general intelligence we've ever seen. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all work? Well, Gorilla is designed to autonomously surf the web, learning from various sources and tools as it goes. Picture it as an AI that's both a curious learner and a seasoned explorer of the digital world. But that's not all. Gorilla's capabilities don't stop at just browsing. It can even take a humorous spin by diving into the fascinating chaos of Reddit threads. Now, you've probably heard the term API before, but do you know what it stands for? API means Application Programming Interface, a fancy way for different software pieces to talk to each other. Imagine booking a flight online. That's when APIs shine, connecting you to airlines and travel sites seamlessly. But hold on, we're not talking about just any old language model here. We're talking about the turbocharged one, Gorilla. It's a powerhouse that can flex its muscles across a mind-boggling range of domains and platforms. It doesn't just know how to interact with APIs. It knows how to tap into APIs from heavyweights like PyTorch Hub, TensorFlow Hub, and Hugging Face. Plus, it is not intimidated by cloud services like AWS, GCP, and Azure either. The best part, Gorilla doesn't need a script. It's like that friend who can pick up any new gadget and figure it out on the spot. What makes Gorilla even more jaw-dropping is its origin story. It's a love child project between tech giants Microsoft and the brains at UC Berkeley. And guess what? They've set this powerhouse free. It's now an open source star on GitHub. So imagine the possibilities with Gorilla. You're not just interacting with AI, you're witnessing AI evolution in real time. No more being locked into a fixed script. Gorilla's got the moves, whether it's about sifting through machine learning magic or conquering cloud complexities. Let's now explore how Gorilla sets itself apart from other LLMs like GPT-3 or ChatGPT. The differences are truly remarkable and set Gorilla on a whole new level. You see, Gorilla isn't your average AI model. It's like having a reliable teammate that always gets things right. When it comes to generating API calls, Gorilla shines like no other. It's incredibly accurate and dependable. It's as if it has a built-in GPS for syntax, arguments, and outputs of any API call you throw its way. Now, remember those moments when other LLMs seem to be making things up out of thin air? Well, Gorilla is on different playing field. It's all about reducing those pesky hallucination errors. In simple terms, Gorilla doesn't conjure up information that's false or irrelevant. It's a trustworthy companion in the vast landscape of AI. Next up, another remarkable aspect is its incredible flexibility and adaptability. Unlike many other learning management systems, this particular one shines when it comes to making things most of various tools. It's like a tech-savvy chameleon that seamlessly embraces changes in documentation, update, and different versions of applications without missing a beat. You won't have to worry about any unexpected breakdowns or loss of functionality. It's as steady as a rock. But wait, there's more. Imagine this. It's not just limited to the knowledge it's born with. No, this LLM has a unique superpower, the ability to learn on the go from fresh sources of information like web pages or documents. It's like browsing the internet for new insights and instantly incorporating them into its repertoire. It's not bound by what it already knows. It thrives on the thrill of discovering and adapting, just like a constantly evolving digital scholar. So whether it's smoothly handling evolving technologies or swiftly absorbing the latest updates, this learning management system is your reliable partner on the journey of knowledge. more worries about breaking down or getting stuck in the past. Now, think of Gorilla as your ultimate online task accomplice, ready to tackle even the trickiest challenges, from intricate missions requiring multiple steps to crossing over various domains and platforms. This AI powerhouse is your go-to solution. Picture this: Gorilla, our digital genius, isn't just limited to a single field. It's your all-in-one problem solver on the internet. No, seriously, it's capable of handling almost anything you can dream of. Now, let's break down some of the ways this extraordinary tool can come to your rescue. Imagine you're planning a getaway. You tell Gorilla to snag you the most budget-friendly flight from the Big Apple to the City of Love in August. And guess what? Gorilla swings into action, connecting you with travel titans like Expedia and Kayak to fetch the best deal. Craving a pizza feast with pepperoni and mushrooms from Domino's? No worries. Just let Gorilla know and it swiftly makes a connection to Uber Eats or DoorDash, ensuring your cravings are satisfied. But that's not all. If you're on the hunt for wireless headphones that not only cancel out noises but also boost stellar reviews on Amazon, Gorilla's got your back. With a quick command, it swoops in and hooks you up with the right shopping platform, making sure you score the perfect pair. And mind you, these examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Gorilla is a multitasking maestro, handling basic tasks with finesse. So, whether you're jet setting, satisfying your appetite, or hunting for the latest gadgets, Gorilla's got the skills to save the day. However, its capabilities go way beyond just that. You can put it to the test through their call-up notebook or by getting their CLI tool. Now, let's dive into how it actually works. Gorilla is based on an enhanced version of Llama 7B. It hones its skills through a dataset called API Bench. This dataset contains numerous specialized instructions known as API calls sourced from different machine learning platforms like PyTorch Hub, TensorFlow Hub, and Hugging Face. These API calls empower Gorillas to comprehend and effectively utilize various tools, ensuring accurate outcomes. In situations where it needs more information, Gorilla has a clever mechanism in place. It's equipped with a system that scours the internet and other sources for relevant documents. Imagine this scenario. If Gorilla encounters an unfamiliar tool or a new iteration of a command, it actively hunts for online guides or examples. Once it finds these resources, it updates its knowledge base, allowing it to generate the correct command with precision. Moving on, let's dive into the heart of Gorilla's functionality. This beast has three main components that make it roar: the Llama system, the API bench data, and the document fetching system. If you're a developer or researcher raring to utilize Gorilla for your own projects, you're in for a treat because getting started is a walk in the park. And hey, for those who like things even easier, Gorilla's got your back with its Spotlight search feature. This nifty web-based tools let you hunt down any task or question and instantly get the API call that goes with it. No fuss, no hassle, just pure convenience. So whether you're navigating the tech landscape in 2020 or beyond, Gorilla has your back for all your research and development needs. Alright, let's talk about the big question. Gorilla's AGI, which means Artificial General Intelligence. AGI is like the ultimate goal in the world of AI research, the big prize. But let's be real, for now I wouldn't call Gorilla AGI just yet. There's still a few challenges it needs to overcome before we can say it's really general and super smart. Here's what's happening. Gorilla isn't completely on its own. It still relies on information and instructions made by people to understand how to use its tools, and it's not shy about needing human help and advice to get better at performing well and being dependable. And here's the interesting part. It's not the best choice for tasks that require creativity, feelings, or plain old common sense. But wait, let's not discourage Gorilla. It's closer to AGI than any other llama in the AI field. So while we're not quite at full AGI yet, Gorilla is moving forward, pushing its limits. We'll see how this AI story unfolds over time. Even years from now, this story will still matter. So get ready, because the journey to AGI is like a roller coaster. It's exciting, full of surprises, and every moment is valuable. Now here's a question for you. What do you think is the most important quality that an AI needs to become truly general? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating videos like this.